In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Squarespace blog comments. If you want readers to interact with your blog posts, ask questions, or share feedback directly on your site, turning on comments is a simple but important setting. In Squarespace, this is controlled through your blog preferences, and once enabled, it can apply across your blog globally. To get started, log into your Squarespace site dashboard. From there, look to the bottom left corner of the screen and click the settings icon. This is where Squarespace keeps many of the site-wide options, including blog-related controls. If you're new to the platform, this area is worth getting familiar with because it contains a lot of your main website configuration tools. Once you're inside settings, find and click on blog preferences. This section is specifically designed for options that affect how your blog works and behaves. It's the right place to go when you want to adjust things like blog display settings, post behavior, and in this case, comments. After that, click on Comments Settings. This is the area that controls whether visitors can leave comments on your blog posts. If comments are currently turned off, your readers won't have a way to respond publicly, so this is the key setting you need to change. Now, look for the option labeled Enable Comments Globally and click it. Enabling comments globally means the setting will apply broadly across your blog, which is helpful if you want commenting to be active without needing to adjust individual posts one by one. This can save time and create a more interactive experience for your audience. Once you've turned that option on, click Save. This final step is important because without saving, your changes won't be applied. After saving, your blog comment settings should now be active. At this point, your Squarespace blog is set up to allow comments. If you don't immediately see the change on the live site, give it a quick refresh and check a blog post page to confirm the comment section appears as expected. It's also a good idea to review your moderation or notification settings later if you want to stay on top of new activity and keep discussions organized. And that's it. That's how to enable blog comments in Squarespace quickly and easily.